Are you ready for island life in the heart of downtown Memphis? Welcome to Harbor Town, where peaceful riverfront living meets the convenience of downtown. This beautiful, move-in-ready home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and community. Step inside to a spacious open floor plan with soaring vaulted ceilings and a split-bedroom layout designed for privacy. Downstairs features easy care flooring with no carpet, while the upstairs bonus room includes brand new carpet, a walk-in closet, and the flexibility to serve as a fourth bedroom, home office, or media room. A large floored walk-in attic provides exceptional storage and major updates, including a new HVAC system installed in 2024, a new water heater, fresh interior paint, and a freshly repainted exterior mean this home is truly move-in ready. Just 2 blocks from the neighborhood playground, you'll also enjoy everything Harbor Town has to offer, including live music, outdoor movie nights, scenic walking trails, marina access, boating, and the charm of a vibrant riverfront community, all just minutes from downtown Memphis. Come experience why Harbor Town is one of Memphis's most sought-after communities. Your island lifestyle is waiting.